Hello everyone, welcome back to our course. In today's class, I have a very interesting problem for you all to solve. Now this is not a simple code, but it's a game problem, right? So inside this game, again, this is not very hard to solve, but I expect you all to just know the logic how to solve this problem. So this problem is known as a number guessing game. What we will do is you have a competition between you and a computer. So a computer will generate a random number and you are expected to guess a particular number. Fine. So if you guess it right, you get it right, and if you don't guess it right, you will be given another chance, right? So this is how it goes, and yes, try to do it on your own, and if you are not able to solve it, you can view the answer. I'll start now. So yes, here we go. I'll create another Python file, which is guessgame.py. Alright. So inside this guess game, as we know that the computer will generate random numbers. So one thing is pretty clear, that we will import a random module. Okay, we will import a random module. Next thing what I'll do is I'll expect random numbers from a computer. So I'll keep it as secret. Secret is equal to random dot rand int between 1 comma 10. Okay, so what this rand int function does, it returns random integers in the range a comma b, including both the endpoints. Very fine. Okay, so this is what it will do. Fine. So I'll print welcome to our number guessing game, right? And the next thing what I'll do is I'll take guess from the user, of course, integer input, enter any number between 1 to 10, right? So this is what we will expect from a user. So once user enters, you are expected to check if guess equals secret, print you guessed it right, the number was, okay. So otherwise else you guessed it wrong, the number was, okay. So this is how it goes. This is just the basic structure. I'll definitely make changes to our game, but yes, let's see. I've saved it, and okay, let's see. 3. Okay, you guessed it wrong, the number was 10. If I again do this, the number was 5, and again I have to rerun this game. I have to keep on rerunning this game. But do you think this is how games work? No, this is not how the games work. So what I want this game, how I want this game to run is to keep on running until and unless I guess the right number. Okay, until and unless I guess the right number, I want it to keep on guessing. So for that, what I'll do, I'll have another variable which is number of guesses. Okay, let's keep it number of guesses equals 0. Let's keep it number of guesses as 0. So, and also this entire code I'll keep it under while true, and also indentation matters, so I'll create an indentation over here. So while this entire thing is true, so true means this loop will keep on running and we have to break this rule when a certain condition it gets right. Okay, so again this is very fine, guess is equal to enter any number. So here we go, when a user has guessed something, I will increment the number of guesses to 1. Okay, if it's fine, you guessed it right, the number was this, and ultimately I'll break off. Fine, I'll take a final break from here. How about I create another scenario, elif guess is greater than secret. What I'll do is I'll print you guessed it very high, you guessed a very high number, you guessed a very high number, the number was this, and else print, and here also you will else the what will do, will print this, your number was, let's copy paste it from here, you guessed a very low number. Now this is the scenario when guess will be less than a secret. Okay, the number was this. Okay, this is how it goes. Fine. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If it's free of error, if we have certain errors, we'll correct it, no issues. I will enter 5, you guessed it right. Okay, that's my good luck. Now I'll guess another number, 3, the number was 2, you guessed a very high number. Welcome to our guessing game. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll print it outside. Alright, and I'll move out of this. Alright, keyboard interrupt. Okay, so I've interrupted it, I've saved it. I just wanted to keep this line out of our while loop so that it does not keep on getting printed. Right, so let us run our code again. Python guess game, I'll guess any number, 4. So you guessed a very high number, the number was 1. Okay, now I'm again expected to keep on guessing the number 4, very high number, the number was, okay. So one error which I've made is the secret has been kept out of the while loop. How about I keep it inside it, because again and again the secret was not getting modified and our system was taking the same input as it is, right? So let's see if our game gets better now. Alright, so yes, let's see, and of course I want to print the number of guesses which I used. Print the number of guesses were these. Very fine. Okay, now let's run it. Any number, 4, The number of guesses for you guessed it right, come on. 2. Okay, how am I getting it right? You guessed a very high number. The number was 1. Okay, so now it's getting me right. So when I've guessed the number 4, you guessed a very low number. The number was 9. And when 7 again, so again 7, 4. Let's see when I guess it right. Okay, so the number of guesses that took me to reach the final, to win the final game, are the number which is 15. So students, what is the moral of the story? What have we learned from this game? It need not be that you guess the entire code in one go. It's just that you start off with the very basic statements. So I started off with if else, right? And then I moved ahead with some new concept which came in my mind, and then I used my while also. Then another mistake that I made was I kept the secret outside the loop. So the secret was this number was not getting generated with every guess that I was making. Fine, which ultimately makes no sense. So yes, this is our final game. Of course, this is not really very tough, but yes, I think it does require some practice before you can finally hop up to this game. So if you have done it right, I mean, I really appreciate anyone who has done this right. And if you were not able to do it right, now that you know the logic, now that you know the concept, I want all of you to try this on without looking at the final code. So yes, I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.